1252 19th Ave East, dates July 15th, 2022. Making this recording from the 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 cleanout Bob Oates installed a year or two ago. Push the camera out 70-some feet. There's a turn and then a slight lip I'm having a little trouble getting around. We're going to come back from here. Might be a diameter shift too, so we'll zero out the footage. Come back from there. Come into a section of 4-inch diameter PVC, and then back into a section of concrete again. Let's zero out our footage one more time here. I got a little schmuck on my camera, but I have seen this a couple times, and I know what we're looking for. So, okay, so we've got a couple of downspouts, or formerly downspouts. This trench drain might, or trough drain might tie into the line here as well. A couple of those connect, and then a kitchen line connection. So on the left side of the pipe, there's one of those connections. Top of the pipe, there's another connection there. I believe that might be the kitchen line, or the old kitchen line anyway. And then another, maybe that's not a connection. Nope. Very rough old aggregate concrete pipe. But we're talking 66 feet or so down to that plastic section where that line goes into plastic. So I'm going to end the video there. Send over a bid for some lining.